Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple box there is some mystery math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can try this out, use the link in the description to do that, and when you've got an answer, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's begin. I'm going to put in a 0. Okay, 0 gives us -1. How about a 1? Gives us -4. So maybe we've got a line here with a slope of -3. Let's try a 2. And 2 gives us -9, so I don't think this is a line anymore because it went down 5 units there as opposed to 3 in the previous step. So maybe we've got some kind of curve, maybe a cubic, maybe a quadratic, maybe trig, who knows? Let's try some negative numbers. Okay, so -1 is giving us 0. How about -2? Ah, that gives us -1. Now I'm starting to see maybe there's some symmetry here, so maybe we've got a downward pointing parabola. If that's the case, then at -3 we should get a -4. Let's try that. So -3. Ah, so that does give us a -4. Let's try -4 and see if we're down at -9. Yeah. So you can clearly see the shape of the parabola, that nice curve. It looks like just a regular old parabola. I don't think there's a multiplier on this, except that it's upside down. So what that means is it begins with a -1. So if we're sketching out our function here, sorry, a negative sign, it's like multiplying the parabola by -1. So a negative something, it's not centered at the origin. The vertex is not at the origin. It's just been moved over in the negative direction 1. The way you do that is inside the parentheses here, you use the opposite sign, so x plus 1 quantity squared. And I think that might be it. It's not been moved up or down. The vertex is on the y or on the x-axis here where y equals 0. So this may be our function. Let's just test a couple of values. So if you put a 0 in here, you're going to get 1. You square it, you get 1, and then you take the negative of that, you get -1. That's what we've got. What about a 2? So -2 plus 1 quantity squared. Well, 2 plus 1 is 3. Square that, you get 9. So that would be -9. And that's what we got, -9. So I'm satisfied. Let's go ahead and reveal this. Yeah, a negative quantity x plus 1 squared. And we can graph that as well and get that lovely downward facing parabola. Well, how did that go for you? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.